Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect a Squarespace domain to WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm using a guide on WordPress. This is because I cannot currently use WordPress due to technical difficulties, neither do I own a valid domain on Squarespace, so I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can connect the domain through this guide, but I'll be showing you some steps on Squarespace which you need to do. First of all, you're going to need to add your domain, and your domain is the following. You can find it on Squarespace by going into your settings, and then you can go into domains in the email, click on domains, and as you can see, currently I have a built-in domain, which is this here. Currently you can click on it and then you can change the site ID if you want to customize your built-in domain, but I won't be doing so. But yeah, you just need to go to domains and copy over this domain right here, and then you're going to go over into WordPress, click add the domain button after you go to upgrades and domains on WordPress, and then just click add a domain, which is this button over here, and click use a domain I own. Then you need to type the domain name and click the next button, and then once you get to this screen, you need to click the select button next to connect your domain, and it may take a few moments to be redirected, and then you can click the start setup button on the connect screen. Then once you click the start setup button, you need to name the servers yourself, as you can see here, and then you need to log into your domain dashboard on Squarespace, select the domain from the list and load more options, and then click on the manage domain settings button if it is a purchased domain. Then you can click the edit button next to name servers. From the advanced menu, which you can see here, click use custom name servers and enter the following WordPress.com name servers to connect to your domain, such as this. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Then you can select save to apply changes, and then you just need to contact Squarespace support to ask them to use your Squarespace domain with a WordPress site. And as you can see, you need to tell them that you need to point your domain's name servers to the following, and then just wait for the changes to update, and then just go into into WordPress and go into upgrades and domains and use your domain which you've newly connected as the primary domain. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.